what I do professionally and personally is I'm dealing with someone's worst day always. And how
Mhm.
do we help them get through that worst day?
Beautiful.
Right?
Yes.
I mean, it's always the case. I mean, I don't. No one comes to a personal injury attorney or a medical malpractice attorney because everything's great.
Correct.
Someone did something to someone and ruined the trajectory of their life. Some worse than others.
Hmm. Hmm.
Some clients are profoundly, profoundly devastated by the behavior of someone else, and we help them through that. And then there's somewhere in between. There's always somewhere in between. But to that one person, that is the most important thing,
Right. I
right?
understand. Yeah, I can
And,
imagine.
and I do want to talk about this again. This is my ADD
No,
working.
go ahead.
You were talking about my background
Hmm.
and where I grew up. I grew up on Staten Island, New York, and I
Hmm.
grew up in this. I was born in. I'm 57 years old, so you guys do the math. I was born in 1968,
Okay.
and
I'm not too far from you. I'm
not too
51.
far. And I grew up as a child, as a young person, when that whole Geraldo Rivera thing with Willowbrook.
Mhm.
And Willowbrook was, we used to play in the woods by Willowbrook.
Yes.
So to me,
Oh my gosh.
when you hear,
Hmm.
when I was a kid and you learned a little bit about autism was not a big thing. It
No.
was more mental, MR was
Yes.
more Down syndrome, that was more common. Autism was such a small population, but I remember being an after school special about a kid who would sit in the room spinning a plate, looking at his fingers, and the whole where's this kid's life going to go, and Willowbrook and closing it down, and the
Mhm.
abuse of it was a death sentence to me, someone with that disability when I was a kid, and it was a fear, subtle
Yeah.
in oh my God, this is what could happen if you have kids,
Yeah.
right? This is something that could happen. This is going to be a problem that you're going to have to deal with. And, those are the little seeds that germinate in you a
I
little bit.
know. I know.